Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a lesson in our geometry unit. So first here are our three goals for this lesson, which is the first one, you will understand what a right triangle is. Then the second one is you'll be able to classify all types of triangles in an everyday setting. And our third goal is that you'll be able to measure the angle of a triangle using a protractor. So here are the standards that we're going to be covering today. So for our content standards, you'll be able to classify two-dimensional figures based on the presence or absence of a parallel or perpendicular lines or the presence or absence of angles of a specified size. Recognize right triangles as a category and identify right triangles. And then our practice standard is that you'll be able to construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others. So there are three different types of triangles that we're going to be focusing on today. And the first is a obtuse triangle. And as you can see here, the angle of this triangle is greater than 90 degrees. So that's something very important to remember. And then here in acute triangle, as you can see that there is no 90-degree angle anywhere. It's all less than 90 degrees. And then here we have our right triangle, which there is a 90-degree angle. All right, so let's try something here. And if you guys could just draw this triangle on your pieces of paper. And then we're going to get our protractors now and measure it. So what you're going to do is you're going to line up your protractor to this bottom line here. And as you can tell, here is where a 90-degree angle would be. And so we're going to measure it from this angle. So we're just going to go out like this. And we have about 135-degree triangle here, which shows us that this is an obtuse triangle because it does have a angle greater than 90. All right, so if you guys can draw this triangle now on your paper and get out our protractors and measure it here. So we're just going to follow our lines here. We're going to line it up down here and then follow our other side of our triangle. And you can see that this one is a 90-degree angle right on the dot. So this shows us that it is a right triangle because it has that 90 degrees. And then one more example, if you guys can draw this triangle for me on your papers. And insert our protractor here. So this one, you're going to line up again with this bottom line here and just kind of trace it out to where it goes on your protractor. So since this one is on the right side of the 90 degrees, we're going to go with the smaller numbers here, not these large numbers. So this one is about 49 degrees. It's almost 50. So it's an acute triangle because it comes on the right side of this 90 degrees on the protractor. Okay, so there are three key things to remember when working with triangles. For right triangles, we have a 90-degree angle. So remember that 90 degrees with that right triangle, okay? And then for obtuse triangles, remember that the degree is greater than 90. So obtuse has an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. And then acute triangles has a degree that's less than 90. So that angle is less than 90 degrees. And it will fall on that right side of the protractor. All right, that is our end of our lesson today. And I will see you guys all tomorrow.